Dongguan RUIHUI Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited. RUIHUI is a national high-tech company which specializes in research, development, production, sales, and services of press automation equipment. The company was founded in 2000 and has transformed into a professional manufacturer of intelligent and automatic metal plate processing equipment, on par with well-known Japanese brands from an automatic processing factory of Japanese metal plate parts. Now the company has become a leading well-known brand in the domestic industry. The company now has about 20,000 square meter production plant, equipped with a set of production equipment, which ensures the stability of product quality and on-time delivery. After years of accumulation and development, the company now has over 300 employees, including over 60 engineering research and development technicians who are meticulous in research and development of new products, and over 20 after-sales personnel who can provide good services for customers. The company has introduced and utilized advanced German and Japanese technologies, adhered to the principle of meeting high standards in selection of parts, insisted on meeting source design standards in processing and assembly of parts, and applied technologies in every manufacturing process. At present, the company holds 8 inventions, 43 utility model patents, and 6 copyrights. The company strictly follows the ISO 9001-2008 quality management system in operation, adopts ERP, PDM, CAM, and other software information service methods, and carries out 6S fine management in production. Therefore, the company guarantees more intelligent, simpler, and more efficient management, greatly shortens the development period of new products, tremendously improves operation efficiency, and significantly lowers costs. And the company also enjoys superiority in fierce market competition and constantly obtains the best economic benefits. RUIHUI has insisted on down-to-earth research and development of press automation technologies and made contributions to the development of the press automation industry. RUIHUI has insisted on giving priority to technology and aiming to provide services, gathered a batch of seasoned elite research and development personnel, and carefully analyzed the experience in applying advanced European, American, and Japanese technologies. Through the practical application in domestic and foreign markets, RUIHUI has accumulated lots of detailed basic application data and laid a solid foundation for the wider application of press automation equipment. After over 10 years of great efforts, RUIHUI has successfully developed multiple types of leading press automation equipment. Its 20 series of 441 specifications have obtained CE certifications, including the 3D Transfer System Series, the 2D Transfer System Series, the MAC NC Transfer System Series, the large NC Blanking and Stacking Line Series, the RNC Servo Feeder Series, the Straightener, the RLV Straightening Series, the Decoiler and Straightener Series, and the Heavy Decoiler Series. The automatic equipment products independently developed by RUIHUI are stable and efficient in performance, tremendously save manpower and material resources, reduce costs to use, improve production efficiency, guarantee safety in production, enhance product quality, and provide automatic solutions for all major automobile manufacturers. The products of RUIHUI are widely used in automobiles, motorcycles, home appliances, and other 3C products. Relying on its expertise and excellent product quality, RUIHUI offers products to automotive main engine manufacturers and their Tier 1 and Tier 2 suppliers at home and abroad. RUIHUI has been trusted and beloved by a large batch of domestic and foreign well-known enterprises such as Magna, Lear, Honda, Ford, Chongqing Chang'an, Wuhan Peugeot Citroën Automobile, Fa Volkswagen, Fa Toyota, BMW Brilliance, Beijing Hyundai, SAIC General Motors, Volkswagen, Guangzhou Automobile, Gree, Hare, Midea, Chigo, Southco, and Zhongtai Industrial Group. and has established a good partnership with these companies. RUIHUI adheres to the management principle of putting users first and regarding product quality as its social responsibility, and creates product value beyond customers' expectations. RUIHUI regards research and development of world-class press automation equipment as its mission, and will spare no effort to become a world-class equipment manufacturer. With a practical, pioneering, innovative, and win-win spirit, RUIHUI will create a better future.